But
So
a
it's
festival
extremely
of
important.
democracy needs to follow public health protocols. The Prime Minister is telling the country, don't let your guard down. The Prime Minister is telling people this is no time for you to let your guard down even for 1 minute. But look at what is happening on the ground in Bihar. All I am saying is that netas need to walk the talk. The fact is, your own neta Dilip Ghosh says COVID is over. I mean, if your own netas are going to talk this language, that means the Prime Minister's message is not even reaching his own leaders.
No. That's completely not the case, and I can see the select visuals that is playing on the television. But at the same time, there are meetings happening where COVID protocol is strictly being followed, and I can share that videos, I can share that images as well. But as far as the question of these videos are concerned, we will definitely ensure we have taken a note of it, and we will ensure we will communicate this to our party workers at the ground level to see that each and every requirement of COVID protocol is followed. People follow social distancing, people follow the temperature requirements and the sanitation requirement as well. But I'm not going to fret away, and I'm not going to politicize this entire issue like my friend Gaurav Vallabh did at the very outset while making his opening remark. He tried to politicize. He tried to say that the leadership is not taking action. I would like to tell him that his leader, his Rahul Gandhi ji did not take any action against Kamal Nath for making such a derogatory remark. So let's not go into that. Let's not play that game.
Sir, I am focusing on COVID protocols. I am focusing on COVID protocols. The Prime Minister has given an important message today. My worry is the message is not reaching Patna. And this is only the start of the election campaign. Just imagine what could happen in the next couple of weeks in Bihar.
Rajdeep ji, I am live from Patna. And the good thing is that the Indian Council of Medical Research has shown that the recovery rate in Patna is more than 95%. The government is on their toes, the administration on their toes. But regardless of that, we are prepared and we are going to communicate this to the ground level party workers that we should follow, we must follow, and the district administration also has the authority to take punitive action against those who are seen to be violating the COVID protocol.
Okay. You've made your point. Gaurav Vallabh, you want to get one final response to this. The fear, of course, is that, the belief is that at the end of the day, this fight against COVID cannot become BJP versus Congress, Gaurav Vallabh. This fight against COVID has to be a united front that the country has to present. Today it's in Bihar, tomorrow it could be another state. We had visuals only a few days ago of overcrowded trains in Mumbai where the Congress is a partner in government. It requires at the end of the day, public to get sensitized to the problem. Do you concede that you can't blame the Prime Minister for what is happening on the ground in Bihar?
Rajdeep ji, the gentleman on the show is contradicting his own statements and his party's statement. When Parliament can't run because of COVID, the democracy is not in danger. He's telling election is required because it is a democratic right. When Parliament can't be convened because of COVID, then there is no democracy issue. When the committee of the Parliament can't be convened because of COVID, there is no democracy issue. But convening election is a democratic issue, number one. Number two, he's telling we can't compare Bangladesh and US. Gentlemen, please read something. When I am saying something, it is per million cases. So when we take per million, the population difference is nullified. So please try to understand. I know you doesn't have that type of understanding. And the third issue, he is very correct. कि our rallies we will be having social distancing. अरे जाता कौन है राजदीप जी इनकी रैली में? कौन सुनने जा रहा है? वहाँ तो डिस्टेंसिंग नहीं खाली मैदान
नहीं let's be clear. Rallies in India, particularly in Bihar, are being attended in large numbers of both parties. It's not only Congress, RJD rallies that get large numbers.
Nobody is going in their rallies. You can see the pictures. Nobody is going.
So the Prime Minister, I am sure, will attract huge crowds in Bihar.
There is no one there to listen.
The Prime Minister is going there from 23rd. He will attract huge crowds. But Mr. Guru Prasad, I want to give you a final word. You are on the ground in Patna. I hope that you will take this message to the district administration and more importantly to your workers that we are in COVID times. I know you want to win an election at all costs, as all parties do, but health must come above all else.
Undoubtedly, Rajdeep ji, and the intent and the action of the government in the last 6 months has also indicated the same thing. But as far as the observation of my friend from the Congress party is concerned, I patiently heard the questions raised by him. So the question of people attending rallies, you must know that the vote share of the Congress party has gone down since 2005, whether they contest on 243 seats, whether they contest on 40 seats, they are leaderless, visionless, actionless when it comes to Bihar. So the Congress party do not have any locus standi to speak
Okay.
on any issue when it comes to Bihar. But as far as the question of following of COVID protocol is concerned, I have taken a note, Rajiv ji, and we are going to ensure that each and every Karyakarta is strictly following the COVID protocol and the COVID requirement on the ground as well. Thank you so much for bringing this to our information.
Okay.